In the last part, I shared that one of the rules for stock market beginners is to invest in blue chip stocks. If you haven't watched that, go and have a look at it. This video is very interesting and definitely you learn something new. This video is all about what blue chip is, top blue chip stocks, top blue chip mutual funds, how to choose best blue chip stocks for your portfolio. Hey guys, welcome to Financecator, the place where we spread financial gyan. Firstly, we'll understand what is blue chip and the origin of this word. The term blue chip derives from poker chip. Poker chip is a small desk-shaped counter kind of and is used to represent money when gambling. This poker has a set that includes white, red and blue chips, where blue are highest in value, white being the lowest value. In stock market, a blue chip is a stock of well-established corporation with a reputation for reliability, quality and financial stability. Blue chip stocks are usually the market leaders in the sector and have a market capitalization running in billions of dollars. They are the most popular stocks to buy due to their long track recording of steady earnings or paying dividend. Most importantly, during economic slowdown, investors turn to blue chip stock to protect their investment. When we look at market capitalization, here are top 10 companies as on 6th August 2021. When it comes to investing in different stocks and securities, one of the difficult tasks is to pick the right stock that suits your portfolio. Many investors try to invest in blue chip stocks but struggle to find the best one. Here are some of the tips to help you choose the best blue chip stock for your portfolio. The first tip is market capitalization. Market capitalization is the value of a company that is traded on stock market. It is calculated by multiplying the total number of shares by the present share price. This indicates the size of the company. The first step is to choose the blue chip stock is finding large caps that are leaders in their domain. The second is income of the company. Apart from market capitalization, look at the income of the company. Typically, companies with bigger share in the industry will have higher revenue. The third one is compare the Petrovsky score or F score. If you are new to stock market, then you are probably unaware of the term Petrovsky score. The F score or Petrovsky score is a predefined score to know the financial strength of the company. It takes into consideration the following 9 aspects of the company's financial statement. Have a look at it. These are the 9 categories. Now, for every category that the business entity has, it is rewarded by 1 point. For example, if the business has positive net income, it is rewarded by 1 point. And if it fails, then no points are rewarded. At the end, add all the points. If the total comes to 6 or higher, then it is considered to be good company. And if the total comes to 9, it is the best company to invest. The fifth tip is return on asset. Return on asset is one of the most common financial ratio used to identify a company that is using its asset efficiently to generate return. The sixth is valuation of the company. Use intrinsic value. Let's say that the price of a new car is 5 lakh rupees. However, due to an increase in demand, it is being sold at 10 lakh. If you purchase the car at 10 lakh, then you are buying at available price, but the car is not worth the money. On the other hand, if the car is not in demand, retailers might offer it at discount. In this case, if you buy the car, then you get twice your money's worth. Same is with stock. If you buy a stock at a price that is more than what it is worth, then you have to bank upon the continual increase in the price of the stock to make profits. However, if you buy an undervalued stock, then the chances of making profit increases. And for blue chip stocks, ensure that you focus on the intrinsic value of the stock rather than its price. There are many tools that allows you to find the intrinsic value. If you want to know, check out the detailed video on intrinsic value. Here is the link on the top. Blue chip stock is usually associated with benefits like consistent dividends, predictable growth trajectory, and low volatility. These are considered to be comparatively safer than other stocks. Ensure that you focus on the valuation of the stock and avoid overvalued stocks. Remember, these stocks are not usually fast growing. It is important to choose them wisely. While the tips mentioned above should help you to choose, research, and analyze thoroughly. Happy investing!